When we first started this project, we didn't even think we'd have to take the railings off.
Reconstructing the rotting porch on our very old house has been no small feat. But one thing has made it a whole lot easier. This beautiful cable railing system from Blika. With clean lines, it doesn't block the view. And Blika helped us customize a kit to meet our exact needs.
It's unboxing time.
Our kit was smartly packed together as a box of boxes. 10 posts, individually wrapped, protected for transit. And then separate boxes of all of the hardware components, cabling, and tools.
It's day one on our railing build. We're super excited to have a system that's not going to rot. First thing is we're going to get our posts mocked up in the spots where we think they're going to go best.
We started with this side because we're hoping it's the easiest. We'll see how that goes.
I'm gonna set ours back about 2 inches.
This plate will fit here, and we just wanted to make sure that we have enough clearance off of this existing post. And that's looking pretty good. We marked exactly where each post would sit, then pre-drilled pilot holes. It's a nice touch if you countersink.
That looks good.
Restarting the bolt in each hole helps make threads so that the plywood doesn't tear out as much on the way in. And we actually upgraded the bolts to ones with threads going all the way up for better contact into our 3/4 inch plywood floor. I preferred using a socket set versus the tool bit that Blika sent. You get lots of them. I just found my drill to be a little too big to get the bolt to go in straight.
Oh no.
Before putting the bolts all the way in, we checked level on both sides of the post, shimmed as needed, and added a bead of silicone to help prevent water intrusion into the porch floor and below. As the bolts snug in, tightening or loosening will affect the level of the post, so keep the level handy and check it often. On the stairs, we added blocking underneath so the bolts would have full contact into wood. We removed the steps to have better access for the drill to attach the blocking, and for the bottom step, I was able to mark out, remove the boards, drill the blocking in, and then flip everything back into place. The blocking makes for better stability, so whenever you have the opportunity to block, you should. Next up, top rails. We opted to make our own from reclaimed cedar. Each post has a rail plate that screws on and attaches to the underside of the railing with 4 screws. For the stairs, we marked where the plates were on our railing and attached them to the underside before mounting on top of the post. This was the easiest way to drill the screws in and get the perfect angle.
I'm tired.
Clearly, we're not done yet. Cabling is the last step. The kit from Blika includes wire cutters and a hydraulic crimper. We used die number 6 for this residential 1/8 inch wire cable. You'll need to cut the wire with enough length to see inside the terminal piece. It does not go all the way in, so the 2 crimps should be closer to the outside edge. Keep this in mind when measuring and cutting cable length to get good tension on the cabling. Use caution with the hydraulic crimper, it's pretty fun to use. Thread through the post holes, attach, and tighten using hex wrenches on both ends. And finally, pop in the rubber bumpers. We basically set up an assembly line for cabling since each run has 10 cables. It does take some time. I mean, is it even DIY if you aren't doing it into the dark? The completed porch looks and feels great. Thank you, Blika, for sponsoring this railing build. If you too are looking for a DIY customizable cable railing system, you can use Chris10 for a discount on your order. Go ahead and smash the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, and guess how many weekends it took us to build this.
Oh, you know what, Jeff? We gotta go get 8 more of these.